I bought this solar rechargeable motion sensing light to replace my older one. This is quite a bit brighter. It's also solar rechargeable, but I cannot use it the way it is because the light is installed under my awning. So I have to use my own solar panel, and I have to solder the output of my own solar panels in parallel to the original one. You can see the black wire and the red wire of the solar panel. So I just soldered to it in parallel two 500 milliamp 5 volts solar panels. So that's a modification that I made. And this light can actually be used with a remote control, but I'm not going to use it that way.
With the light and the underside. This is the one I'm going to put up. You have the motion sensor here, and you also have a remote control sensor here, the black dot, and then you have the mode switch. And the light is about 450 lumens, which is pretty bright. And you have instructions here. This is how it looks like. You got the extension bracket. You can mount it without the extension tubes. You can mount this directly or with the extension tube. And the instructions are in English and Chinese. You do a long press, and then you go into the first mode is red light, which means it is motion sensing, but it keeps a low level light on, so you always have some kind of light. When someone comes into the perimeter, the solar light will come on. And then if you want to set it, you can set it to the green light mode. That is the mode without any light, and then when it senses someone in the area, it will turn on. And then the last mode is the blue mode, which is always on, so that would use quite a bit of power. And the solar panel is 5.5 volt and 360 milliamp, and the battery is a single 18650 at 2.2 amps. So the problem I have is I can't use the solar panel because I'll be mounting the light under my awning here, and there will be no sun available to charge the battery. So I'm going to use the old solar panels that I have, and these are two 500 milliamp hour 5 volt. The solar panel on the light is actually 5.5 volts, so I hope it will work. So basically I'm just going to run, or rather I'm going to use the existing wires that I have here, and I have it run to over here, and there's a couple of Lego nuts. So I'm just going to connect the wire positive and negative, and that will be it. I have to take this old unit off and then screw on the new solar light. So I'm going to do it maybe tomorrow, and I'll come back tomorrow evening and show you how bright it is. Okay, so this is the solar motion sensing light that I installed earlier. You can see the green status light on it. Let me go nearer and it should turn on. Okay, it just turned on and it's pretty bright. It has 24 white LEDs and 24 warm white LEDs, and you can use a remote
to adjust the temperature. I think the color temperature that is by default is okay. You can always set it to be on until daylight. I don't know if the single 18650 can power this light all night long, but I'm not going to use that in that mode. I'm just going to use the motion sensing feature of it. You can see there's that aluminum tube there, that's the extension. Or you can actually just mount the whole light fixture to the wall there. So this is definitely brighter than the other solar light that I had before. Okay, thanks for watching.